Okay, we are back again. We are going to do a couple of small pieces. So this is the road turd bumper. It's all corroded and crappy looking. So I'm thinking we'll give that 2 minutes maybe? Or 1 minute. Might need that. You need 1 minute, 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes can hurt anything.
Do high frequency, low frequency, sweep.
I like to sweep.
You like to sweep. That's your stem that we're still trying to get turned dirty. One more shot at that.
This thing's as clean as it's going to get.
Yeah, whatever. Give one more shot. What the hell?
Okay. Are we ready?
Yep, don't get in there. 2 minutes.
I still have my technique down here. I'm supposed to pick this up.
No, we haven't figured that out yet. Rest assured, this surface is going to get scratched. Probably already is.
That's just going to be part of the game, Tatro. That is what it is.
That's what I figured. My temp dropped to 143. I'm not sure why. The heater got turned off. The heater might have got turned off. I'm not sure. I know it's a bad design. It's brighter light in here, a lot brighter light. The water's getting dirty. What are you doing down there? Turn the carburetor.
That thing's clean, dude.
Are you happy with this?
That thing was so gross.
Okay, light's not on. That's a little better than it did. What? Definitely clean. Was it cleaner than this one?
Hey, baby. I don't think so. That SU wasn't that dirty, though. That would definitely been clean.
You want to pull the jet off? See what it looks like?
I did. This was fun.
That's low speed. That's main jet. That's intermediate. Big long, about that long. Should come right out. 3 components in there.
You ever run one of these?
I ran a Harley on my Super B. I ran the Harley on there with the Weber conversion plate in there, and I took these jets in there so I could pop the air cleaner up and change the jetting without taking the whole carburetor apart. And I dicked around with it for a long time. You never get the mid-range to run just right, but it was fun to go in there and play with it.
Yeah.
You could definitely dial it in pretty good, just not perfect.
I've watched, there's some guys out there that love these carburetors. This guy on YouTube that, like, all he does is
Where's your rag? Okay, clean that off.
rebuild them, talk to guys about what they need to do.
Let that soak. Doesn't hurt any. Okay, that's 3 components. You got a outer cap. Pull it off. Just pull. There's a jet. And there's a jet on the other side. That's the main jet. That's an air jet. That's the emulsion tube. And this is just the top cover.
Oh, so you can play with all these, huh?
All these are independently adjustable.
How do you get that jet in and out?
Pull it out.
Nothing on it.
Pair of pliers we used back in the day. If my fingers wouldn't do it. Same on the low speed, the main jet down there, you just pull it out. They're numbered. Right there, see it? Yeah. Numbered right there.
These old eyes can't read very well.
I can't read it either. Can you read it?
15. I have to cheat and look at the camera.
That'd be 150 then. So rotate that with your fingers and then pull at the same time. You have to pull. Oh, one more. I'll have it out.
That's pretty clean, dude.
The low speed jet comes out the same way. The emulsion tube is, make sure it's all clean. Probably didn't have any of that gunk in there because it was in the bottom of the carburetor, not up in this stuff. And then the low speed jet just has one needle in it, and the cover up here is the jetting surface, the emulsion circuit, the nut. So, yeah.
So you can get all these jets right on the top?
Yeah, this is it, whole carburetor right there. Low, middle, high, right in front of you. Easy to get to.
So you can swap them out right there on the top, huh?
Yeah. Can't do it while you're going down the road, but you can just about.
It's convenient.
Yeah, you can make your changes. I had all the jets sitting there and I just pop them in and out as needed. I just couldn't find any weight emulsion tube to work on my motor. This was a 40, yep, 40 DCOE. Used to run it on my Datsun. I had one of these, so I was sticking around with it. Same thing. Yeah, they're neat. So Webers are done. Old technology, but still works very well. You can dial these things in, but just you gotta know what the hell you're doing. But now with their fuel ratio gauges, it's not that hard to do it these days. You can find out what part's bad, change out one component, and you're good to go. It's a lot easier dialing than it used to be by feeling it out by hand, by your butt. It takes a large change to make a difference. You need to pull them all out now?
Just looking. It's pretty clean.
And obviously all this stuff was taken apart and cleaned separate to be better, but we just did a quickie.
We're just having fun. We're supposed to be working. We're just playing.
We're supposed to be working this road turd. Yeah, well, we're having fun. That thing looks like brand new now. It looks just about as good as this one to me. It's just the corrosion on the body is the only thing that makes it dirtier, but everything else is the same.
This one has a polish to it too, you know.
Well, it's polished, but yeah. But this is clean aluminum. There's very little corrosion on this. There's a couple of spots on top. It's pretty clean. You take your steel wool, that triple out steel wool on the outside body and polish it on a little bit. Stuff it back in the thing one more time. It'll look almost as shiny as that one. That looks pretty good. But we still know where this goes. So figure out where that goes. That goes right there. Got the gasket on it?
No, it doesn't matter. The gasket no good anyways, I'm sure.
Gasket's fine. It was in the pile. It's right here. Why would the gasket be bad? It's not a Harley. These things work. Oh no. The paints are starting to get cleaner. Same thing, I still don't like them. Don't look clean. So let's wipe down the that piece. That's what a 2 minute chrome polish job. How nice that looks. How nice that looks. Like brand new. So are all these brackets right here I did. These are all those XC brackets are all corroded. Same thing. Great chrome cleaner.
Man, look at that. It literally looks new.
Yeah, it does. It's real smooth too, and it won't get that dirty very quickly. It'll take a while before it gets dirty.
It's impressive.
These got cleaned up now. These are a stem nut for our road turd. Yeah, we got the rest of the corrosion. I don't know, it's just got a little corrosion on it, but it looks new. It goes up on our fork up there. This piece here. Boom. Goes inside of that. Maybe up to on our temp. 140 was in temp. So we got a case to do. Okay, well, let's see if we can get some heat out of this thing. I'll put the lid back up on this for now. Doesn't really keep all the heat in there though. It helps slightly, but not really. I'm trying to get this thing up to 155, but Not going up any higher. All right, so.
Take the basket out of it if you want to get heat up hard.
Yeah, pull the basket out. You'll find your knuckle case or pan case, what are you gonna do? Go ahead and assemble up a couple carbonators here. All right, be right back.